Hi everyone, welcome back to our style journey. Today I'm gonna share with you some beautiful winter skirt designs ideas. So in this video you will find the winter pencil skirts, the winter A-line skirts, and all of them are very suitable for office wear. So if you're a working woman, if you're a business woman, so this video is really going to be very helpful for you if you wear pencil skirts. So you will find the new designs, the latest ideas, and the latest styles for this winter season. So as you can see, you can check the plaid pattern on these skirts. These are bold skirts basically, and these are highly running in fashion these days. Very comfortable, very stylish and elegant. It gives a sophisticated and classy look to your office wear dressing. So I must suggest you guys that if you're loving these designs, if you want to watch more designs like this, so just keep on watching this video till the end. Many more beautiful designs, many more beautiful ideas you'll explore in this video, and I hope that you're gonna love this collection and you're gonna find this collection very helpful for you, very useful for you. All the designs are looking so amazing and outstanding. So my dear viewers, if you want to be updated by the latest fashion trends, latest dress designing ideas, so my channel is all about latest fashion trends. You will find hundreds of new designs and hundreds of new ideas daily on my channel, and I hope that you will also find them useful for you and helpful for you. So guys, if you're loving these amazing designs ideas of winter skirts, so please do like my video and subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And if you have subscribed my channel, so please do also click the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any video, any collection on my channel. And I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section to tell me how was the video, how are the designs, and which type of more collections you want to watch on my channel, which type of videos are more useful for you. And please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives. And thanks for your appreciation of my previous videos. Thank you so much guys for your positive feedback. It encourages me and motivates me to bring more useful videos and ideas for you. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collections. And don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear viewers, till the next video. See you soon guys with a new collection of ideas and designs for you in the next video on my channel.